Hi guys, welcome back to the vloggy. Today I am outside. As you can see, the sun is shining, makeup is glistening. You guys see that? Do you see the contour? Do you see? Don't play with me. So anyway, I am here. It's my friend's wedding lunch in vibes. So I am the photographer, the content creator, the whole shebang. Let me give you guys a quick outfit check. You guys see that? You guys see that? Looking pretty, looking sexy, looking brown, pastel vibes. Actually, no, I didn't go for pastel. Let me flip the camera. Let me flip the camera so you guys can see.
Oh, thank you. Many thanks. Many thanks.
Thank you so much for putting the dress code.
Oh
My goodness. Lucky, come over.
So,
Yeah, I completely forgot. Sorry.
Hey.
Oh, hi.
Dude,
How
hey.
are you? Finally, get to meet you. The person who's taking care of my friend.
Cities, city, you know the vibe.
You know the vibe.
But we're not.
Is it me?
It's yo.
Is it on me? Yeah, it's like right. It's like trying to enter.
It's in your crotch.
Like. You are better than
actually
me
work.
because I would
don't
be,
know.
I think, running
You
away.
let people do it?
I hope so, because I'm scared of being.
From 1:30 to like 6.
Yo, friend, I thought you guys
Yeah, they wanted to keep me. I was like, guys,
Oh, you go send a code.
If I feel worse, I'll
to
come
exit
back.
with the phone.
I don't want to.
I really just thought you guys have left. We get you. Yo, nah, I get
I feel like my look is not complete without my earrings.
I get you.
I'm not okay.
So you have
I forgot
your
my
earrings.
earrings.
You just better
Yes,
stop
the
by.
one. The.
Now you see it.
Yeah. At least you've got other drip.
Yeah, dude.
I'm upset. But anyway, what can I say? Forgot earrings. Well, I do have my earrings here, but I don't have a stopper.
Put on his ring yesterday, so.
Make it make sense. Make it make sense. But we are out. There are bees. I'm scared of bees. Say hi to the camera.
You know this place existed. This is like our favorite spot.
It's like
Say hi. What are we doing here?
I'm the bride. It is I.
Hello. You better get into it. What is the bar? Whitney, is that you? No, for real. This is the bride. That's the husband.
They're up there.
Right over there. Hi to the girl. That's what's there. Yes, you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You see, look at that. They got her flowers. Yes.
Thanks so much. What a considerate.
It looks so cutesy, you guys. They even put like balloons on the trees. You guys see this balloon is hanging from a tree behind me. It's very, very cute. Absolutely love it. Did I give you guys an outfit of the day? Let me see where I can put you guys so I can give you outfit of the day. Okay, it's actually not too shabby. This is the outfit of the day. You guys are never going to believe where I got everything from.
Go to the pet.
This is why niggas should not be in charge of this.
You were not.
Okay, I wasn't in charge.
Okay, so let me get to it. So the top, I guess where it's from. Let me stand in front of the sun. The top is from Jet. Can you guys believe that? The skirt is from Jet. The shoes, however, are from H&M. I also got like brown shoes on. You guys see that? Look at that. You guys get into this outfit. It's so cute. This is a size 6. The skirt is also a size 6. Jet clothing is a little bit like big. Like they make them to be a little bit big. So yeah, let me go mingle with my friend because that's why I'm here, to support my friend. Married friends.
Early arrivals. Like people who arrived on time.
That, because of that, we should be taking shots.
Because we arrived early. Yes, yes. Actually, those two, the two girls that just arrived, they need to take shots because
And everyone else,
Tiri ke ngwanyana a punctual. Ne? Please.
I was even late. clink clink.
Clink clink for real.
Are we in the
Cheers.
clink clink photo?
No, I'm not taking photos yet. I'm just cheersing you guys.
Oh,
Now I'm gonna
what
take you
the-
guys photos, but you must face this way.
Clink clink photo.
Well, let's take some
The
together,
girls.
please.
Pink.
And then I'm gonna take with Titi, and then I'm gonna take with Liv. And then we all take
And
together
the
as the
girls.
girls.
Yes.
But
As the girls, but and then no photo shoot time. I feel like if it.
see, this is a nice match.
Guys, say hi to the camera. Hi, this is the vlog, by the way. So you guys are gonna be in the movie. You wanna say anything nice? Wishing them well.
Yo, keep it 100.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying?
Not saying.
Keep it gangster, keep it chill.
Uh-huh.
Keep it moving, keep it flowing like the water. You feel me? Super proud of you guys, man. And like I said, Mawani, I wish you guys all the best. Nothing but love, happiness, and prosperity. Thank you. Your big brother, ne?
Thank you so much.
You the biggest brother. The biggest is always the shortest.
Always.
Don't worry, my older sister is also the shortest. So it's okay.
Shorter
than you.
Shorter than me.
That's wild.
Poppy is actually, it's scary.
Yo, that's
Got worse
wild.
after pregnancy.
Yes, and then she tried. Is it going?
Yeah, it
That's
is.
it. Okay. So my friend, welcome to the other side. I think I did it before you did. I've been married for 3 years now. And here are my words of wisdom. I want to say, I think my husband, I'm stealing this one from my husband. Give your partner the benefit of the doubt because it matters a lot in marriage. The second one is communicate, have the hard conversations. They're very hard. I am still on that journey of learning how to have the hard conversations and really sit with them. Hold space for each other because it matters more than anything because we are constantly evolving. We've got childhood traumas that we're still healing, girl. Okay, so make sure that whenever he's going through something or you're going through something, hold space for each other, love one another, like through it all, through sickness and in health. And we all know when men are sick, it's giving like man flu, like they're dying. So just be there for him. You know how they are. And what else do I want to say to you? I am so proud of you. Like, I am so proud of you, and I hope you have like a huge smile when you see this because we've come a very long way. And you are such a strong person. You are literally one of the strongest person I know. You have survived a lot, and I hope the next 5 years of your marriage is when you can get to unfold, be able to make space for yourself, for the teenage boo, for the younger boo, for the 20-year-olds boo, and then you thrive. That's all I wish for you. I want you to thrive, not survive, but actually thrive. So I love you, my friend. I'm proud of you. Lots of love from me.
That's cute.
I'm firstly shooting my vlog. This is gonna be in the vlog. So I want to say thank you so much for dedicating me, literally picking me to say, can you be the photographer?
This is
Can you capture the day?
Yeah.
Can you create the memory so that it lives on? That's something I do really well. So
You really do.
I am so happy that you
Friend.
decided that it should be me.
It was always going to be you. It's always been you. All our lives it's been you.
For real, like for real. Guys, let me tell you. Today I was doing my brows, and I remember when I would be like, it was June, I think I remember. I was
It was
learning.
cold?
I was learning how to do brows, right? And then I did it like too long. She was like, "Girl, nobody's brow is that long." so she.
I used to do my brows the same way before I learned.
So Boo and I, she actually taught me how to do some of my makeup, especially my brows.
Oh, girl, we used to be in your room at home and we
out
were
there,
like,
we were like,
listen, Razwa.
We are
One
going
thing
out.
we're
No matter
doing-
what, we're gonna go
Razwa,
out.
because we had just
What's
scrubbed
that
the
spot? What's
floor.
that spot by the corner next to Shakes' place?
Boho.
We used to go to Boho.
Boho.
We used to go. What was Shakes' things place?
Ivy Lounge.
Ow. The mess that used to happen at Ivy Lounge.
Boho, Ivy Lounge.
We would club hop like they were like right
Oh,
next to each other.
wow, the
and
best.
that's what we would do. We would just
The
like club
best
hop.
times of our lives.
And then let me tell you something. The following day, one of us was opening Virgin Active Daddy.
yes.
4 a.m.
Oh my goodness. 4 a.m.
Got
shift.
4 a.m. shifts, and you had to show up. Sometimes I would have to drop her
We've
off.
always been showing up. One thing about us, we've always showed up.
No, that's
okay?
for real.
Regardless.
So I'm so proud that many years later, we are wives now, guys. We are
Like, that's on her. This is us. This is us. We got
we're
people who
actual-
wanted to stick around with all that madness.
all the craziness,
Yeah.
all the trauma.
Yeah.
That's our day, okay? And they love us.
Unequivocally.
Like, we understand. That's the word. That's the is one to you. Like, understand? So
Isilungu
anyway,
lento.
yeah, it's easy.
Please.
Okay, the sun is having me as well now.
Listen, okay.
I am
we're
truly
melting.
pudding. I am. Whose shoes are these?
It's peas and they forgot them.
Wow.
Now I, as the bride, have to.
Wow! Imagine the bride now must take care of shoes. Look at that. Baby, you want to give your speech now? You don't want to give your speech.
You want to marinate first?
He wants to marinate his toes. Don't worry, he's probably gonna give.
I feel like we should have
That
done this. This is my first drink.
Oh no, it could never be me.
This one I am copying from my husband.
Hey, Jolly, what
We are one. Your thoughts are my thoughts.
Reinventing.
We are one. Okay, so we're gonna go get some food. I'll see you guys at the table.
Oh, other people have arrived. It's a first time experience.
Okay. Is this me?
I love seeing it. That,
Okay,
that's why we
perfect.
call you. You are not part of the party, but.
Oh wow.
He's not shy. Because he was like, you know what, go to the bathroom, gather yourself together.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Even when you go back, don't bring it up. Don't talk about it.
Yeah,
Let's move
Rasha.
on
So when
from
we
it.
leave, yeah.
Let's have a
When we
great
leave
time.
out of here, we
Let's
carry
have
on
a
with
good
a
time.
beautiful
I'll
wedding.
park my car at your house and
Okay.
I'll walk home. Tusboo!
Yay!
Bon appetit.
I can't take it because you're confused to it.
I think there's a third name.
I was like,
Yes, that's exactly who it is.
Where the food is going.
this is chicken. This is beef.
Table wonderful.
Also, we need to share. Yeah.
Yeah, she said she lives close by. That's what she
She
said.
does.
Yeah, guys. What's the matter? Lang Jaja.
No, we are worried about your safety.
I'm not worried about your safety.
Yeah.
He said, nah, not that.
I'm 10 minutes away from
Not
here.
that.
Yeah, no, it was time.
He said, I don't care about that.
Survived the whole life because I'm living. She's very good friends with me. So we can go around the table. I'll start with the bride. Okay, ma'am, I will introduce ourselves to them more. And then I will ask you your question, your would you rather. So how much do we refer to you? Because like it's about this boo. But
Boo.
Just say Mrs. Moya.
Gizmo! The confusion! Listen, little one.
Because when we arrived, I met Ipileng and we're like, yeah, we're here for Spoo's wedding. She's like, who's Spoo?
But you made it worse because you said we're here for Sizwe, Tando, and Zbu.
And she was like, yeah, I can't say me. This temple says in Ghana.
You want to see with the polygamy?
Actually.
So my first question for you, ma'am, and you took lots of photos yesterday, right?
Yes.
And you took lots of photos today.
Yes.
Okay, so would you rather lose, I can say my bank account there. But would you rather lose all the money you and Mr. Moyo have or lose all the photos you've taken in your life so far?
You see, now the fact that you've just brought him into it, I can't lose the money.
Yeah, that's why. Like, get out here, the money.
He is the money. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Oh, all the photos that we've taken.
All the photos you have taken your whole life. Or
Your
would you
whole
rather
life.
lose all the money
All
you
the
have
money.
now?
You guys, we cannot afford to lose the money.
That's what's up.
Like,
Use your brain. Remember the photos in your brain.
you guys have seen him. We've all seen him.
Exactly.
He still lives.
Exactly. We'll take more photos.
All your photos. Not all the photos you guys have together. All your photos or all your money, yes.
Guys. Because charity is happy. Like, is it,
You
okay,
can
we
make
make
more
it
money.
again.
Yeah.
In Cyril's economy.
More money.
Yeah.
Employed.
Please.
We can take the money, yeah.
So I can take the money.
Guys,
All the photos you
that
guys
is
have from when you were
50%
kids to
now.
Yes, because the follow-up questions.
Now you're bringing unemployment. How are we supposed to survive? Bro?
No, you're employed. Like I about no today.
Photos don't pay bills.
Kisheba the savings salon. Kisheba.
Oh, you don't have to go.
Can we please have some gravy? Oh, okay.
Exactly.
Black is coming out. Black meat.
They brought that whole tub for you.
She literally said it.
She was like, my people can't eat without gravy.
Need that.
And it's giving a sweet, savory vibe. Like, it's actually kind of like desserty and I don't know.
Right.
Yes. It's actually nice.
Okay. I haven't had that.
It's good. It's a dumpling. You go private school. You go private school.
Everybody's like, yeah. I mean, you're more than welcome to come, but I'm gonna pass out.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense.